Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to pause Bumble account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch upon Bumble application. You can see over here, I've already opened it. At bottom, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to your profile interface. So if you want temporary break from Bumble and if you want to pause your account, you'll be able to find the feature for Snooze in Bumble. For that, what you have to do is tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here, you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. At third, you'll be able to find the option for snooze mode. What you have to do is tap on it. If you enable it, your profile will be hidden temporarily on all modes. You won't lose any connections or chats. Now you'll be able to find various durations like 24 hours, 72 hours, a week until I change it. Tap on the option of your choice. Now after you do that, you'll have to specify the reason. You'll be able to find 4 reasons over here. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Now after you do that, you can see over here snooze mode will be enabled. Now for that particular duration, you'll be invisible in Bumble. So that is how you pause Bumble account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.